Welcome to the newest episode of the Bear Bros.
We have a lot of fun things for you.
Ignatius Farm in Guelph.
This is where I work. This is where I make my money.
And the birds happen to live here just by coincidence.
All of the birds seen in this episode were seen at my work. Let's go!
Well, here we are at Ignatius Farm in Guelph.
Ontario. It's where Sean works, actually.
We're an organic certified farm.
And you know, birds hang out at farms.
Here's our old rickety barn.
And it has a population of barn and cliff swallows inside.
Whoa! Watch out. Here's John getting a peek at some of the cool bird species we got. There are two different types of birds here in the barn. This is a cliff swallow. You can tell the difference from a cliff swallow and a barn swallow by the white patch the cliff swallow has on its head.
That's super informative, Sean.
The cliff swallow nests look more like a cave with just a single entrance, where the top of a barn swallow nest is open like a normal bird nest.
Oh, and the cliff swallows is closed like a cave.
Kind of looks like a spitball on the roof. Here's two barn swallows.
It's like they're smart and they build their nests where the elements of the weather can't harm it.
Look at it fly on top of its nest, this barn swallow.
Where it's open on top opposed to the cliff swallows, which has a hole to enter. They make their nests out of twigs and mud and come back yearly. Such a nice day here on the farm.
Oh yeah.
Didn't know we were gymnasts now, did you?
Looking in the bird box, see if there's anything special. No luck.
Try again another day. Sean's all cameled up here, spotting out some birds in the field there.
Oh, we got a baby Savannah sparrow.
Ain't he cutie?
Here's a spotted sandpiper. They like to hang out in the fields.
Looks a little hungry, this guy.
These birds are often identified by their twerking nature. Spotted sandpipers help take care of the bug population.
So the birds and the humans work together to grow vegetables.
Looks like John spotted something on the side of the barn.
Oh yeah. It looks like... Yeah, it's a house.
House wren?
A house wren.
Nice.
Singing his little song, trying to attract a mate.
This bird here has less distinct barring on its wings than other wren species.
Yes, and I note the mark above the eye is dull compared to the Carolina wren. We got some honeybees here, making some honey.
Bees are great for pollination here on the farm. They're owned by Tuckermore Farms. We sell the honey at our farm store.
The bee population is actually threatened here in Ontario.
Look at us. We're the bee's knees. Hope I'm not allergic to bee stings.
I don't have an EpiPen. 100% organic honey made by 100% honeybees.
Oh, did you see that?
Is that the introduced European praying mantis?
Yeah, praying mantises weren't normally part of North America until we introduced them to cut down on bug populations.
And now there's several species within the province.
Yeah, even subspecies. You, look at him gnaw on that head.
If he was human, that would be illegal.
Also, we got the corn spiders. They help take care of business, if you know what I mean.
Man, that's one gnarly looking spider.
This guy's like bigger than Toonie. These guys are Mexican bean beetles.
Dos cerveza, por favor.
No, they don't like beer, John. These guys enjoy beans, and that's annoying, because I like beans. These guys bite the beans and cause them to twist in weird shapes.
So you mean to tell me that these guys are stealing your beans?
Yep. And this tomato hornworm?
He's stealing your tomatoes?
Frickin' right.
Holy golly, that's not very nice.
These guys can eat so many damn tomatoes, they're ridiculous.
Good thing we got Elisa's goose to take care of our insect problem.
Die!
This is Elise.
Hello.
She's my roommate. This is Elise's geese.
These are Emden geese.
Emden geese have been bred to be the largest of the medium-sized variety of geese. They were bred with the loose geese to make a larger variety of goose. Man, can they eat. I can't wait to eat these guys.
These are Muscovy ducks.
Muscovy ducks are native to Mexico and Central America. Although a tropical bird, they can adapt to cooler climates. Muscovy ducks get these weird scabby things on their face. They kinda look like Darth Maul. Sorry folks, no chickens on this farm.
Well, as the sun goes down, we're just trying to spot a couple more bird species here.
You know, we're always looking for the birds. Oh, we got an American kestrel up there. Oh, we got two American kestrels up there.
Male and a female. Male on the right, female on the left.
You can tell because the male is brighter in color.
And not so far away, we spotted an osprey at Wolf Lake.
Yeah. They breed here. They come all the way from South America to come have their babies.
Hot damn!
Hot golly darn.
Hope Trump's wall doesn't stop them.
Huh.
What's that?
Oh, an eastern bluebird.
Bluebirds aren't actually all blue. There's the male.
You can see there's some red on their chest and some white on their underbelly.
Here's the female. Much more drab than the male.
Mm-hmm. Whoa, it's like they live here.
They actually do live here.
What? Eventually they'll perform coitus and have some baby bluebirds.
These are red-winged blackbird babies. Aren't they disgusting?
I mean, usually babies are cute, but not today.
Disgusting. Well, here we are at the last spot. The big chimney.
Prime habitat for chimney swifts who return every year to hang out in the chimney while the weather is nice.
This chimney here's got to be like 100 years old and about 5 stories tall.
They're the only bird that lives in chimneys.
While we were here, we probably spotted over 100 chimney swifts. They say the colony here is about 100 strong. Chimney swifts come out in the morning to feed on insects. And later at night, if you wait around for long enough, you'll see them go back in.
During the eclipse, they all went back in their chimney in the middle of the day. Interesting.
Look at them fly in there. Don't hit that chimney there.
Whoa, bud.
These guys are crazy. Almost all of the chimney swifts went in within like a 5-minute period.
Whoa!
Well, we just gotta water these plants before we're done here for this episode.
Yeah, making sure everything's looking healthy.
Oh, hey, John! Look! Oh, hey, guys. How's it going? We're here at Ignatius Farms in Guelph. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Sorry about all those cool birds we saw. Not. And, remember, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Bird Bros. Do it!
Rest in peace. Wanted for murder. Pack of coyotes.
What do you think the sentence is for a pack of coyotes?